I am untwisting your perception of my nature, says the Lord, and I am breaking the curse over you which cause you to see me through the veils of the serpent. I am removing the veils from my people's faces, and I am removing the scales from their eyes. I am also removing the earwax from their ears. They will see me, how I really am. They will truly know my nature, and they will truly and deeply experience my love. I am setting my children free. I am giving them eyes to see and ears to hear, and full understanding and full insight into everything the serpent had twisted and confused in their minds. I am removing the lens of the serpent, and I am giving my people a godly kingdom lens of truth. Psalm 91 verse 3. For he will deliver you from the snare of the fowler